Here are 5 steps to correctly apply moisturizer on your face. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Start with a clean canvas. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup from your face. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Step 2. Choose the right moisturizer. Select a moisturizer suited for your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides. Step 3. Apply small dots. Take a small amount of moisturizer and dot it onto your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. This ensures even distribution without using too much product. Step 4. Gently massage in. Using your fingertips, gently massage the moisturizer into your skin, using upward and outward motions. Be sure to cover your entire face and neck. Step 5. Lock it in. Wait a few minutes to let the moisturizer absorb into your skin before applying sunscreen or makeup. This helps seal in the hydration and creates a smooth base for further products. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate moisturizing into your morning and evening routines for healthy, hydrated skin. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our Pinky Rose channel to bring you more content. Thank you.